Good morning and welcome to Two Piece en Español. How are you?
Good morning. Doing well, thank you. How's it going?
It's pretty cool. Now it's cooler than yesterday.
Oh, almost
To-
melted.
yeah, today it's time to cook.
All
Yeah.
right.
So we have a trabalenguas, a tongue twister, and it says, si Sansón sazona su salsa sin sal, le sale sosa la salsa sazón. Sansón! Oh my goodness, even to me. Could you try it?
Si Sansón sazona su salsa sin sal, le sale sosa la salsa a sazón.
Sansón.
Sansón.
The same. Okay. I learned something with this one. Okay.
Mm,
Sansón is Samson, this guy,
mhm,
super strong.
mhm,
Okay.
mhm.
Sazonar, it's to season.
Okay.
Okay. Then salsa, it's a sauce.
Uh-huh.
And sal is salt. But now I am thinking, sal, it's also like the order of to salir, like to go away, to sal del cuarto. Go
Okay, okay.
outside. Okay.
Mhm.
And then sosa. I learned something new with this one. Sosa, it's blonde,
Bland. Okay.
bland, sorry. But
Uh-huh.
also it's caustic soda.
Huh.
But when I learned it, I thought sosa like a caustic soda. So I said, yeah, of course, if he puts a lot of salt. You know? But the meaning is like a sosa that it's blonde, like a bland, sorry, that it doesn't taste anything. And now
Okay.
when I learned that, when I remember that, oh yeah, when sometimes when you talk about something like I was talking to someone, you know, so I should say, oh, mi plática con mi amiga fue muy sosa. Like I was talking to her and the conversation was so sosa, like
Okay.
nothing interesting. So I remember something. Yay!
That's awesome.
So now it's time to understand. So if Samson uh, seasons his sauce without salt, the sauce and this like a bland.
Oh, the Samson's sauce will come out bland.
Yeah, like that. So would you give
Yeah,
it?
it's like it's like the grammatical order of the sentence is pretty much completely opposite of English for that
Mm-hmm.
one because it's le sale sosa la salsa a Sansón.
Yeah, this
Because
is the
and in
passive.
English you say Samson's salsa will come out bland.
Yes, but this is the passive voice. Do you remember that? The terrible passive voice. But we will conquer it. Okay, so si Sansón sazona su salsa sin sal, le sale sosa la salsa a Sansón. Yay, I did it.
Si Sansón sazona su salsa sin sal, le sale sosa la salsa a Sansón.
Yay, we did it. Okay, now I am hungry. Thank you so much for coming. Have
Thank
a
you.
wonderful day. Bye bye.